Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to go over different types of clips that go with your firearms. If you like the content that I'm putting out, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. So to get it started, this is a Glock 17 clip. It's a double stack clip. A single stack clip, this is a clip that goes to a 1911 and 45. The Glock 17 clip goes is chambered in 9mm. An AR-15 high capacity clip looks like this. And everybody knows AR stands for assault rifle. So assault rifle 15 high capacity clip. This would be two AR-15 clips in a clip coupler. So you could have two on the weapon at the same time. This would be a M1 carbine clip. They used these in the War of 1812. This is an AR-10, so it's much safer than the AR-15. It's 5 ARs less, but this is an AR-10 clip. This is a super extra capacity clip for the Glock 17. Oh, I'm sorry. This one goes to the Glock 21, but they make these clips, these super extra big clips. This is what you want to use if you're firing fully semi-automatic. This is a subcompact clip for a 9mm 1911. They also make revolver clips. Now, this is a revolver speed clip for reloading your revolver. Now, I hope you guys learned something in this one. I'll do a little preview of the next one, and we will go over different types of magazines. Hope that helped.